Start that question number instead of 5. We'll start question number 6 because question number 5 is very easy compared to others. Okay, so we can apply log on both sides, then log ABC formula. Apply log ABC formula, you'll get the answer. Okay, anyhow, after doing all the question, again we'll go for question number 5. So question number 6. Given function is y is equal to, what is the given function? X plus 1 by x all to the power of x and plus x power x plus 1 by x. Am I right? Oh, sorry, not x plus 1 plus 1 by x. So let us take this is equation 1. Clear? So we cannot apply log on both sides, because if we take log on both sides, RHS becomes log a plus b form. Log a plus b. So that what to do here? Again, let us consider the first function as u. U is equal to x plus 1 by x all to the power of x, and v is equal to x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. If I substitute this value in equation 1 becomes u plus v. U plus v. Now differentiate. In above equation, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Then left side becomes dy by dx. It's clearly equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. U becomes du by dx, v becomes dv by dx. Now this equation we can consider as 2. This is equation 2. Now I want to find the du by dx with help of u and the dv by dx with help of v. So now I am going to take u. Now u is equal to x plus 1 by x all to the power of x. Can you differentiate directly here again? No, we cannot differentiate directly. What to do here? Function power function. It is in the form of function power function. So apply logarithms on both sides. When we take log on both sides, log u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x all to the power of x. Now we can apply, what is the formula we need to apply here? Log a power m is equal to m log a. Clear? So which implies left side is log u alone, right side is x into log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, now you have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So differentiate with, after applying alone, you have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You cannot differentiate directly this u. It is not a standard form. Now when we differentiate here, once you look at here, this is u, this is v, uv formula, right side. Left side directly log u becomes 1 by u into du by dx. Right side is what? X into d by dx of u v dash. Since again, if you want, you can write that derivative formula. What is the derivative formula we need to write here? Yes. What is the derivative? D of d by dx of u is u v dash plus u dash v. Okay. Now d by dx of log x plus 1 by x plus log x plus 1 by x into d by dx of x. U v dash plus v u dash. Okay, this is u, Yeah, this is u, this is v. Right? Now you have to cross multiply this u. You can cross multiply. This is equal to u times a bracket x into. Yeah, can anyone tell that what is the derivative of this log x plus 1 by x? Chain rule we can apply. Chain rule means first here logarithmic differentiation, then after inside the bracket. So what is the log x derivative? Log x is 1 by x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x into again the derivative of x and 1 by x. What is the derivative of x? 1.
1.
Yeah, 1 by x derivative
-1.
yes. Is it minus 1 by x square or else log x? Yes.
-1 by x square.
Minus
Minus
1
1
by
by
x square. Exactly. 1 by x integral of 1 by x is log x. But derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay, fine. Then log x plus 1 by x into d by dx of x is 1. Okay. At last we have to replace u value. Then du by dx is equal to u value is what? Yes, u value.
yes.
X plus 1 by x whole by
X plus 1 by x all to the power of x into, yeah, here you can write directly or else you can take LCM. When you take LCM, we are going to get like this. So x square minus 1 by so again if you want to take LCM, whether they simplified or not simplified, I don't know in book back answer. Okay, when I take LCM, what will happen here? So here if I take LCM, this LCM is here, it is x square. Again in denominator LCM is x square plus 1 by x. So here 1x get cancelled. Again this x cancel. Okay. Then plus log of x plus 1 by x. Once all of you check it, what is the book back answer they given? X square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. Either you can take LCM or else you can keep it as it is. Yes.
The same.
They simplify. Whether they simplified or not simplified.
They simplified.
Okay, fine. We got x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, then this is yes.
So in the last step, you forgot to add the x in the power, sir.
Oh yeah, right. Here.
Yes, sir.
Good. That is important. Okay. This is du by dx now again, and also take v. V is what? When I compare v is x power 1 plus 1 by x. X to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Now here also take logarithmic on both sides. First, take log on both sides. So log v is equal to log v is equal to log x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Okay. So again, since it is in the form of same log a power n, in exam you must be write all the formulas which is related to given problem, right? So here this is becomes 1 plus 1 by x. M value is what? This is m. This is m log a into log x. Left side is log v. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what do you observe here? Again, left side is like 1 by v dv by dx, that is common for all. But right side is, again, it is product of two different functions. Am I right? This is one function, this is another function. Now this is u, this is v, uv formula, product rule. Since we know that product uv rule is uv dash plus vu dash. Apply this property, then left side is 1 by v dv by dx is equal to right side is 1 plus 1 by x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Plus next log x into 1 plus 1 by x derivative is what? vu dash. U means 1 plus 1 by x. Derivative is?
minus 1 by x.
Okay, minus 1 by x square. Right. Now you can cross multiply this v. Sorry. dv by dx alone we required. If we cross multiply v into, see, when I take LCM here, x plus 1 into 1 by x plus or minus plus into minus, understood here, plus into minus 1 by x square into log x. Now you have to replace v. What is v again? V value x power 1 plus 1 by x. So dv by dx is equal to v value is x power 1 plus 1 by x. Now is there any common in both the terms? Any common here?
1 by x.
Okay, 1 by x square is common. When you take 1 by x square outside, x square in denominator, so that x plus 1 minus log x. This is v derivative, that is dv by dx. Fine. So after getting this dv by dx, where shall we substitute? In equation 2. From equation 2, then dy by dx is equal to, what is du by dx? du by dx, x plus 1 by x whole power x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x bracket x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus or minus, I think, log x plus. Yeah, this is du by dx plus dv by dx, x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x square into x plus 1 minus log x. Yeah, student, this is the required derivative. Having any doubts, you can ask. Anyone having any doubts?
No, sir.
Right. So every problem you have to do like this. So this is the required derivative. What I have done, this is the sum of two different functions. So we cannot apply logarithm on both sides. Let us consider u and v. Then y becomes u plus v. Then differentiate y with respect to x on both sides. So we get equation 2. Equation 2 very important. From that you can take u, find du by dx with the help of logarithmic method. Applying log on both sides. In the same way, take v, apply log on both sides, then you can differentiate. You will get dv by dx. After getting du by dx, dv by dx, substitute in equation 2. That's it. Now coming to next question. What shall we do here? 7th question. Log x power x power log x. Y is equal to log x whole power x plus x4 log x. Again, let us take the first one as u, second function as v, then y is equal to, it becomes v plus v, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Am I right? Now this is equation 1. Okay, so you can take u. Now, what is u? U is equal to, when I compare u value, is log
Log
x,
x over x.
yes, log x whole power x. Apply log on both sides. I am writing directly log e is equal to log of log x whole to the power of x. So this is in the form of log a power m. Log, this is log, this is a power m. M log a. So log u is equal to x into log of log x. Log of log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now what about here? When you differentiate here, 1 by u to du by dx. Right side is what? uv rule. This is u, this is v. D of uv is uv dash plus vu dash. Right. In every question, almost we are applying this product rule. So x into log of log x derivative. First, again here chain rule. This is, yeah. First log is 1 by log x. Again, this log x derivative is 1 by x. Okay, that u v dash completed. Now v is log of log x. Yeah, x derivative is what? 1. U dash, x derivative with respect to x. Now du by dx is equal to u. Cross multiply. Now this x get cancelled, 1 by log x plus log of log x. So at last you have to replace u value. So therefore du by dx we are going to get log x to the power of x into 1 by log x. Okay. Right. All of you wants to check that whether they are taking LCM or not taking book back. See, if you take LCM, what will happen here? You can do like this. If I take log x is LCM, 1 plus log x into log of log x.
They are
Because,
taking LCM.
okay, right. See here, if I take this log is outside, log x is outside. Can I take common this denominator log x? Yes, we can take.
Yes, sir.
Log x whole power x by log x into 1 plus this value you have to write, log x into log of log x. Next year, see here, I want to take this log into numerator. Log x.
Log x minus 1.
Yeah, shall I write here log x? Nothing but log x whole power 1 is there. If you take into numerator, minus. With this bracket value, you have to write as it is. Now, bases are equal. What shall we do then? Powers we can add. That is x minus 1. Up finally 1 plus log x into log of log x. Okay, students. This is du by dx. Fine. I'm taking LCM. Now take v. V is x power log x. And v is equal to log x, x power log x. Now apply log on both sides. So log v is equal to log of x power log x. I'm taking directly here, but you should write apply log on both sides. taken directly. So left side is log v is equal to log a power m. So log x into log x. What is the value we got? Log x into log x. Then shall I write log x to the whole square? Can I? If we keep like log x into log x, we can apply uv formula, or else log x into x log x. So in the same way, log x into log x to the whole square. Log x to the whole square. Am I right? So now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Very easy again, as it is 1 by v dv by dx left side. Right side is log x whole square. Now see here, it is not a function power function power constant. Like it is in the form of x square. Anyone, what is the x square derivative? 2x. Am I right? 2 into log x into next the derivative of again log x. So I applied here chain rule. If first it is in the form of x square. X square derivative is 2x. Here x value is log x. That's it. So derivative of x square. Then after log x derivative. Now when I cross multiply here, dv by dx is equal to v times of 2 into log x into 1x. Now what is v? Anyone? V value is
X power log x.
x power log x. This 1 by x I want to written like that outside. Then in the bracket 2 log x is there. Even you can 2 is a constant. Is a single function. You can write 2 also outside. See here, what is x for? X nothing but x power 1. Write in numerator. So x power log x into, shall I write x power minus 1? This denominator I have written in numerator log x. Now when bases are same, shall I write here like x power log x minus 1 into log x? Yeah, this is required dv by dx. Any doubts? Any doubts from your side? Do you understand here? Whole divided by x is there. X I have taken to numerator, it will become 6 power minus 1. Bases are same. X. Then power should be add. So a log x minus 1 we will get. So finally, this is dv by dx. This is du by dx. We got du by dx, dv by dx. Both values you can substitute in equation 1, that is dy by dx. Substitute here, you will get the required dy by dx. Okay. This both values you can substitute. So I am going to share you this slide in your classroom. I'll be post, then you can go through that. Or if you're having any doubts, you can ask now itself. Then let us go for question number 8. Sin x 4x plus sin inverse root x. And one more thing regarding to OBT. When do you have OBT exam? 19th of this month. Am I right? JE students.
Yes.
I think so. It will take just 2-3 days to complete differentiation. So after completion of differentiation, then we can go for OBT part. Okay. And one more thing is, shall we continue evening class about system of circles? Yes. Okay, at least we'll get some time to practice. Okay, today evening, same 5 to 6 OBT class as usual, right? System of circles. So if you have any other plans, like any good idea, you can give that. Right, 8th question. Again, y is equal to sin x for x plus sin inverse root x. So here function power function, okay, we can apply logarithmic method. But sin inverse root x, is there any function power function or else function by function? No. Any function power function up to infinite series? No. So it is so for second case we cannot apply. Anyhow, this is equation 1. Let u is equal to same sin x whole to the power of x. V is equal to sin inverse root x. Then y becomes u plus v. Then dy by dx becomes same du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so what to do here? We have to find du by dx, dv by dx. To find du by dx, first take that now u is equal to sin x to the power of x. Apply log on both sides. Log u is equal to log of sin x over power x. See, yourself you can do. Okay, no need to wait. So if I write the question, immediately you can solve yourself. Is it difficult? Nothing. Okay, take separately u and v, then apply log on both sides. If it is function for function, then differentiate on both sides. So what is the difficulty here? Nothing will be there, right? Very easy, right? So now x into log of sin x. UV rule, right side. So differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by u du by dx is equal to UV form. But what is u here? This is u, this is v. Okay. What is UV formula? D of UV is equal to UV dash plus U dash V. Okay, students. So right side is x into log sin x derivative is chain rule. Log is 1 by x. Log x is 1 by x into sin x derivative is cos x. Okay, this is the derivative of log sin x. Now log of sin x, since we know that x derivative is 1. Du by dx clearly equal to u cross multiply x cos x by sin x plus log of sin x. At last you have to substitute the u value. What is u value? U value is what, students? Sin x whole power x 4 sin x or sin x 4x? Okay, sin x whole power x. So sin will be there, base is sin, so that you have to take LCM. Why should we take LCM? So what is the answer they given? Anyone? That they have, even we can write x cot x also. If we don't take that LCM, we can write simply cot x. Otherwise, sin x.
So they give x cot x.
Oh, x cot x means no need to take LCM. If you take LCM, again you can take sin right outside, then take sin into numerator. We are going to get sin x over x minus 1. Okay, here the book back. I did not given sin x. Okay, cot x. Cos by sin is cot x. Log of sin x. Here even not required. Right, this is the du by dx. In the same way, we have to take v and then find dv by dx. What is V? V value is sine inverse root x. Is it necessary to apply logarithm on both sides? Yes, anyone? Students.
No,
So then differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Anyone, what is dv by dx? It is sine inverse. Since we know that the sine inverse formula, since the derivative of sine inverse x formula is what? 1 by
So 1 by root of 1 minus x square.
that's it. But in place of x here we are having root x, so that 1 by square root of 1 minus root x the whole square into derivative chain rule,
root x.
root x derivative, right? So which implies dv by dx is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus root over x square means x into root x is 1 by 2 root x.
By 2.
Finally, shall we write 1 by 2 times of root over 1 minus x into x. So 1 by 2 times of root over, even you can keep like this, or else x minus x square. This is dv by dx. So no need for applying log on both sides. It is not a function for function. It is not in the form of function by function. So this is the required dv by dx. So in exam also, some student may be confused like whether we can take LCM or whether we not take. So suppose you may take LCM here, sin x. That is also absolute right. Don't be think that whether we can stop the answer here itself or else we should write one more step. No problem. Either you can stop here also, that is also right, or you can take LCM, that is also right. Okay. Particularly, we can't say up to here, like this is the perfect solution. Here only we can stop. We cannot proceed the next step. Not like that. We can't say that. But you should be differentiate. You should be replace u value. That is must. By replacing u value, by replacing v value, that is important. But particularly, we can't see even, for example, in above step, above question is there. In this question, what we have done here, after that, here we are taking LCM log x. How do we know whether we can take log x is LCM or not? No problem. You can stop here itself. If you don't know, you can stop there only. Like just you have to replace this u value. Just stop it. If you know, if you're having idea, take LCM like that you can do. Or take log into numerator, then the basis log, then powers should be at. Like that you can do. So not only in differentiation, even integration also same problem. So sir, where we can, many of them, the students they are asking, sir, where shall we stop the solution, sir, whether we can simplify, other we cannot simplify. For example, some cases we may get like this. They get the answer is sin square x. What is the sin square x derivative? 2 sin x is cos. We can keep like this, or else we can write sin 2x. Both the way correct. You can keep 2 sin x cos x, that is right. Otherwise, 2 sin x cos x formula is sin 2x. That is also right. Like that. Okay. Yes. From any doubts, students?
No, sir.
Right.
Okay.
Next. We'll go for the next question. Even yesterday notes I posted in your classroom. You can go through that, right?
Yes, sir.
And also, once we can look at that advanced classes also. I posted that recorded video, advanced class. Then you'll get some idea to see that previous year questions. Whether is that easy or very difficult, you'll let you know that, right? Okay, next question number 9 will be. We have 3 minutes more. So that what is the question will be? Okay, let's start 9th one. See, everyone try to do even 10th one, 11th one, 12th one also. All are very easy. All the cases we can go to same. So here we cannot, in 12th question onwards, we cannot consider y is equal to something. We should not. Okay, till this question, if we observe till question number 11, each and every question in terms of only x, nothing but these are all are explicit functions. But coming to 12 onwards, we cannot able, see, in all the cases we are taking y is equal to y is equal to y is equal to, in all the functions we are comparing with y, because they given only in terms of x. But the question number 12, is it they given only in terms of x? No. Can you separate, can you write the given function like this y is equal to f of x form? Till question number 11, all are y is equal to means y is equal to f of x form. Y is equal to f of x form, function in terms of x. But 12th onwards, we cannot separate x variable one side, y variable another side. We cannot. So these are called implicit functions. Implicit functions, what is the general form? F of x comma y is equal to 0. Okay, it is a combination of x and y variable. See here, x power y plus y power x. We cannot comparing this with y is equal to something. You should not take. You can take directly, this is u, this is v. Then directly you can differentiate, substitute. That's it. Here also we cannot separate. Here also we cannot separate. We cannot separate that. We cannot write y is equal to f of x form till question number 12 onwards. But question number 16 is explicitly. Yeah, y is equal to f of x. Right side all are x values only. So here also this is also explicitly. We can take y is equal to this value. Explicit. We can easily write y is equal to f of x form. Okay. This is UVW formula. We have to derive that UVW formula with the help of product rule. Okay. And by logarithmic. Two methods we can do. One is UVW formula. One is applying logarithm on both sides. Anyhow, we will discuss all the questions. This is important exercise for NCERT purpose as well as easy also. But quite lengthy. The solutions are quite lengthy. That's it. Okay, students. So you can try this question number 9, 10, 11. These three problems. This is u, this is v, this is u, this is v, this is u, this is v. Okay. See, in this question, when you consider v is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 here, either you can apply the quotient rule u by v formula, or else you can take log. If you take log, it will become easy. Or you can apply u by v formula also, no problem. Right, but remaining here u must be applied log, because function power function. Right, students?
Yes, sir.